Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are enjoying my video. So today we are going to make a ragi flour pancake. The ingredients that we will use is ragi flour, makhana, oats, almond, pistachio, and egg and plus formula milk. So this is very healthy recipe for the baby. So first we will use oats and makhana. We need to roast the oats and makhana. So it is full of nutrients and it is great for strengthening their bones. So after roasting you need to make sure makhana should become nice and crispy. So it is crispy, as you can see it's very crispy. So it's ready for the ragi pancake. The next step is we need to make a fine powder of almonds, walnut, and pistachio. So as you can see I'm using the 2 almonds and the 2 walnut and the 1 pistachio, because I need to make sure it should not create an allergic reaction in my baby. After that we will mix these all ingredients, but first we need to make a powder of these dry fruits. As you can see I'm making a powder of these dry fruits. So it's ready. As you can see it's a fine powder, not exactly the fine powder. And now I will mix the ragi flour. I have taken 2 spoons of ragi flour. I will mix it with the oats, makhana, and the dry fruit powder. The dry fruits powder is not fine. I will grind it into the mixer to make it a fine powder. So yes, now I will add all items. So this is my mixer. So I will add the roasted oats and makhana. This is the dry fruits powder. So oats, makhana, and the dry fruits. I will grind it and I will grind it into a smooth powder. It should be the smooth powder because we need a smooth powder for the pancake. So it will make noise. I will pause the video. Ow, it's hard. So it's ready. As you can see it is a smooth powder of oats, makhana, and dry fruits powder. And the ragi flour, I have taken 2 spoons of ragi flour. I will mix it. And 1 egg. these pancakes is full of protein, nutrients, and it's very healthy for the baby. Now I need to add milk. So I will be using formula milk, up the milk. That is the name of formula milk because my baby is allergic. So but you can use the cow milk if your baby is not allergic. Up the milk, formula milk is very good. I'm using it since day one. My doctor in UAE, she recommended this formula milk. I'm also using the non-opti pro 2 advanced and also up the milk advanced because the comfort is for the gassy baby, so my baby is not gassy. So yeah, and it's very good, very good. I already bought 3 to 4 up the milk formula milk from UAE because I'm going to Dubai again at 10th December because I have an interview there, so I just bought it from UAE. And also add a little warm water to make a smooth batter. As you can see, it is a very easy meal for the babies, so just try it. It is very healthy for your baby. It will strengthen their bones and it is full of protein and nutrition. So yeah, so I'm also giving it to my baby. So my baby is 7.5 months old and she's very active, alhamdulillah, very active and energetic. And yeah, so as you can see, the base is ready for the pancake. First heat the pan and lightly grease it. Actually, I'm using extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is also very healthy for the babies. If you're not using the olive oil, I will recommend just use the olive oil for your baby. Not if you don't want to use for yourself, no problem, but at least use it for your baby. It is good for your babies, and also it is very good for yourself, for complete family members. Actually, I'm already using this olive oil and it's very good. So the ingredients you already knows that I have added to make a ragi pancake. And the last tip for the mother that I want to give, like many mothers give milk to their baby right before sleeping and immediately after waking up. I recommend avoiding this. Giving milk before sleep can make gum weaker, and right after waking up it's better to offer a healthy breakfast instead of milk. Because you can see I'm drinking coffee. I'm drinking almost 3 to 5 cups of coffee per day, so I do not recommend this. And actually I'm very addicted to coffee, so I will not recommend this one. But for your baby, before wake up, just prepare a healthy breakfast for your baby and try to make your baby feel special. And I have a daughter, so I always try to I always try to feel my daughter special because she's my princess, she's my darling. So yes, and also with this pancake I will make a smoothie, and I will add dates, banana and milk, and I will serve this smoothie with this healthy pancake, and I'm damn sure she will love it, and she already eating it, so eating this pancake, so I'm sure she will love it. But for the milk and uh, I will just say don't give milk before sleeping and after wake up. So this is the olive oil I'm using of this brand. I bought it from UAE, and in Pakistan you can also bought, maybe that this brand will be there. If you want to use another brand you can use it, but use the virgin olive oil, and don't use refined oil. Refined oil is not good for the health, even not for the babies, even not for the complete family members. It is not very good. So it is a refined oil, but it is a extra virgin olive oil, so I'm using this one, and I will recommend just use olive oil for the whole family members. So the pancake are ready. So as you can see, I always serve pancake with this flour. So actually she liked this combination because she loved raw, so she liked this combination. Whenever I serve food, I always put flour, vase of flour along the food, so she liked it. The pancake should be fluffy. Before giving, just checked it, it should be fluffy. So I will serve only 3 pancake to my baby. So I'm damn sure she is going to love it. Actually she loved the smoothie, and but she eat only 1 pancake per day. But today I will make 3 pancake, and I'm trying to make it round, but it's not not round. But practice makes man perfect. So yes, with the passage of time, I will be perfect in making shape round. So it's ready. These are the pancakes.